Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. So today is May 31st and Saudi Arabia has entered to the second phase of easing the lockdown restrictions. That is from today, the curfew timing is going to be 14 hours, that is from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. and the non-curfew time is going to be 10 hours from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. And from today, the public transportations, including the domestic flights, are going to open up. And people can travel inside the regions of Saudi Arabia through private cars and public transportation. So, Alhamdulillah, finally, Saudi Arabia is opening up. Finally, slowly, gradually, we are getting back into our normal life. Let us all pray and hope that this pandemic ends up soon and we all return back to our normal life. Inshallah. So, when it comes to me, after 2 long months of home isolation or home quarantine, I am finally back on roads. Yes, we are gonna have a road trip. 420 kilometers on road. I am traveling back with Sherman to Dammam. We were super excited. We were so happy for this road trip because it's been a while and we really need a change or we need to fix our moods. So this was a much needed road trip. So I thought that I would share with you guys a few clips of my road trip. But this time it had a lot of difference that we didn't have any pit stops and it was not like the usual road trip. But still, I guess you guys could feel what I am going through. After 2 months having a road trip, that feels really great and it has a lot of feelings in it. So keep watching my travel to Dammam, and by the end of this video, I'll be sharing an easy veg kurma recipe by Sherman. So make sure you watch till the end. So we reached Dammam around 7:30 p.m., just half an hour before the curfew begins. So obviously the roads were crowded and the last minute traffic was on. By the time we reached home, we were really hungry. So my brother-in-law have bought some fatayr and some pizzas. So we just had them as a snack. And by this time, Sherman got into the kitchen to make dinner. And as I've mentioned earlier, she have made some veg kurma and chapatis. So I'm gonna share with you guys that yummy veg kurma recipe. To the pan, she have added in some oil, and to the oil added 1 teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin, and then added 2 medium-sized onion roughly chopped, and then to this added some ginger, garlic, and green chilies roughly chopped. Saute them for a while, and then add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, and then saute them again. To this add 9 to 10 cashews. Saute them again for a while. And then this goes into a paste. It goes into the grinder and make them a paste. To another kadai, add in some oil and add some turmeric, and then 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them all together, and then to this add the paste which we have grinded earlier. Mix them all together, and once the raw smell goes, add in the veggies. She have added in frozen vegetables. You can even add fresh or frozen vegetables, and then saute them for a while. If the gravy is too thick, you can add a little water and dilute them. And then to this, she have added 2 medium-sized potatoes, cooked potatoes. Finally, adding in the paneer and lots of coriander leaves because we both just love them. And close the lid. It is done. So to pair with the veg kurma, she have made some hot chapatis, and we just had them. That's it. So that was with a short trip to the Dammam and Shaman's easy veg kurma recipe. So hope you all have liked watching the video. If you have liked, do let me know in the comments in the comment box below, and see you soon with another videos from the Dammam. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye bye.